If you're seeing the itch.io server error HTTP 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually means the site is blocking access for a temporary reason, and in most cases, you can get back in with a few simple browser or network changes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, refresh the page and try loading it again. Sometimes a 403 error is caused by a temporary connection issue or a session problem, and a simple refresh is all it takes. If the page still won't load, check whether you're logged in to your itch.io account. A lot of pages on itch.io require the correct account session, so if you're signed out, you may be blocked from viewing the page. If you are already logged in, the next thing to try is logging out and then logging back in again. This forces itch.io to create a fresh session and can fix permissions that may have gone stale. After you sign back in, go back to the page and see if the error is gone. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cache data or broken cookies can cause websites to think your access is invalid, which can trigger a 403 error. Open your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies for itch.io, then restart the browser and try again. This step solves a lot of login and access problems. Another important fix is to turn off your VPN. Some websites, including itch.io, may block certain VPN IP addresses or treat them as suspicious traffic. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely and reload the page. If you're not using a VPN, you can also try switching to your normal connection and avoiding any proxy services. If that doesn't work, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, test it in Firefox, Edge, or another browser. This helps you figure out whether the problem is caused by a browser extension, a corrupted session, or a browser-specific setting. You can also try opening the page in an incognito or private window to see if extensions are interfering. And finally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause the page to fail in a way that looks like a server error. Restart your router if needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and then try loading itch.io again. So to recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page, make sure you're logged in, log out and log back in, clear your cache and cookies, turn off your VPN, try a different browser, and check your internet connection. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the itch.io server error HTTP 403 quickly. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.